We are live. We are live. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to start trading. But I put a disclaimer. Whatever we're going to trade is very risky. Only do this with money that you can afford to lose, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. And if just know that you can lose your entire investment. Okay, so right now we're going to trade. Okay. All right, let's share our screen. We're going to share the full screen. Hopefully this cooperates with us, guys. Okay. There we go, and boom. Okay, so we are starting from a small account of my student here from $17. Our goal is to grow this account to $20K within 6 months. She started at $100. If you missed our previous night training, we trained and we lost the account, remaining only $17. So we are starting with $17. So we're going to take $1 trade. That's the minimum you can take. So we're just going to be taking $1 trades, okay? So we are using the CCI, the Bollinger Band, the moving average. If you don't know what these are, check our previous training, guys. Okay, there's a playlist right here, which I'm going to put here, which says live trading. The last last live we had, we traded this account, okay? So now we don't want to waste a lot of time. We have a lot of students on here, and this particular student has allowed us to share this training for free in the public. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the Smart Wolf Club. Like it, okay? And whatever I'm providing is not financial advice, okay? It's just for educational purposes and for entertainment, guys. So if you're ready to be entertained, let's go. All right, there we go. So you can see the CCI is up here. The moving average is pointing up. So we're going to go for a call option, okay? We cross our fingers. Doesn't mean it's going to go our way. We don't control the markets. Student has taken the trade. They can only risk about 1% of the account, but this account is so small, and the minimum we can trade is $1. So we're going to take a dollar trade until we grow this account to a point where we can trade reasonable amounts. That's what you have to do, guys. You're learning one thing, that you can actually trade starting with a small account, okay? So we took the $1, okay? If we lose the $1, what are we going to do? We're going to use our martingale factor of 2.5, okay? Like now, you see it's going against us. So we're going to hedge that to 2.5, and we are going the opposite direction, okay? That's called hedging. So we hedge the account going downwards in the opposite direction, and hopefully that's going to give us our win, okay? And recoup our loss. We started at $17. Okay, so we started at $17. Okay, we started at $17. So you got to write these things down, guys. Okay, so we're writing them down. 17.12 is where we started. So what's our goal? Our goal is only 3% every day. Okay, so 3% of 17. 3%. Okay, this you can see it's in the money, guys. So we're going to win that and recoup our loss. Okay. Calculator. So $17 is where we started. 17.12, I think, was 17.12. Multiplied by 103%. So our goal is to get this to 17.66 because it's a small account. Okay, so we are way above. Okay, we are more than the 3%. Okay. So for it to make sense for us, we're going to continue trading. We're going to take about 5 trades, and then we leave the market. So we have taken 2. You can see we took the first one here, we lost. The second one here, we won. And now we're going to go back to $1 because that's the minimum we can trade. And we're going to look for another asset. We're going to look for another asset. Okay, this one, it is a squeeze. Okay, this you can see just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. It's going up. Now the CCI is shooting down. CAD JPY is what we traded. So now it's CAD CHF. You can see it's very slow. It's just coming down here, but they're all pointing up, all pointing up. But it looks like there might be a change of the trend here. Okay, because the CCI is trying to point down. There's a little bit of moving average pointing up. This one here, still pushing up. Okay, so let's look for another one. This one is starting to go up. You can see that starting to go up, so we can take an upward trade. If we lose, we're going to hedge this with our 2.5. Okay, if you don't understand any of this, go watch our live training, the previous one. Okay, if you missed our live last time, go watch that. Okay, so this is in the money. So we're going to take 5 trades and we leave the market. Okay, because that's level 1, 2, and 3, and 5. We go up to level 5 max. So we already took 2 trades. We are in the 3rd one. If we lose this one, we're going to hedge our trade with the 2.5 factor, but we are still in the market. We are still in the money. Okay, it is still in the money, guys. Still in the money. Rome was not built in one day. You can start trading with a small amount, because people say, I don't have money to trade. You can start learning the skills trading with small amount. It just going to take you longer to get to your goals. So we want that. Okay, that's going down. So we're going to trade going down. And we took the 2.5. We should have just taken the 1. We took the 2.5. So hopefully it's going to push us down. Down. Hoping it's going down. Doesn't look like. Yes. It's going down. It's going down. That would be our trade number 1, 2, 3. That's trade number 4. Okay. That's the trade number 4. It's trying to be in the money, but it's also pushing up. So hopefully we have enough time to get to the money. Okay, it's in the money, guys. You can see that's in the books. Booyah, booyah. So we are now at $21. We started at 17. That's almost 40% right now. Okay. So we are now going to take our final trade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our final trade. So we go back to the $1. The $1. Because we really want to keep our trades at the bare minimum of 1%. Okay. All right. So let's look at another pair. Okay. This one here, you can see it's starting to go up. Look at this. It's already starting to go up. Starting to go up, but it's been down, 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 down. So that's not a good one for us. Okay, so here this is going down. It's pointing down. It's going down. It's going down. Cross the moving average here, and it is kept the downward, the downward. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's look at another one. Okay, this has been up there for a while. So we wait for this to start coming down, because this, you can see it can be up here for a long, long, long time. Okay, and you can see there was a squeeze here and change of direction, change of the trend, but whatever goes up must come down, guys. So we just wait for it to start coming down. You can see this is acting a little weird here. It went up, didn't go all the way up, but started coming down. All right, we're just looking, guys. My students are analyzing the charts. They can take the trade very soon. We are waiting for the final trade, because we took this account from $17 to 21. So tomorrow in our live, we're going to start from this level here. So we are waiting to take another trade and jump in the market, jump in the trade. Okay, so we're going to take a call option. The reason is because you can see the CI is pointing up, even though it's still in the middle. So we are hoping that it goes up. If we lose this, we're going to have to take another one and hedge with a 2.5, or we just leave the market, depending on the student. This is our student's account. They make the decisions. We just provide our experiences, okay? So you can see this was pointing up, but it's still coming down to take the money, hopefully to push up. Let's see, yes. Hopefully it will push up and continue going up, but it seems like it wants to go down. You can see it's already testing that level there. We only have a few seconds left. Hopefully it will push further. No, it went way down. Oh, this is really going to be close, really close, really close. There we go. And we're going to stop there because we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We won 4, we lost the 1 here. You can see that one here. That was lost here. And we are at 22.44, so you can say we are at 22.44 minus 17.12. So literally we made $5 out of a $17 account, 17.12. You guys can find the percentage. That multiplied by 100%. See what that is. Oh, sorry. Let's do. We want to find the percentage growth of this account from 17.12. So we are at 22.44. So that's 22.44 minus 17.12. That divided by the base, which was where we started, 17.12. times 100 to get it into percentages. So we are at 31%. So we really did over 31% right now because it's a small account, okay? So for this to make it worthwhile, we did. So you come here and report. Gonna have this written down. So we ended at 22.44, 22.44, 22.44, okay? And we took 5 trades, won 4, lost 1. That's 80% win rate for the day. Compared to yesterday, the win rate was 33, and that's why we lost the accounts so bad, okay? So guys, we're going to stop here, and then we're going to see you guys in our next one. But for those of you who don't know what I was doing here, I can tell you we have Bollinger Bands, which is this one here. They just show us the trend, okay? So they are really trend to tell us whether it's going down or going up. Okay, it's in the overbought or on the oversold down here. Okay, so like now you can see it's really oversold, and this asset is likely to start going up, and you can see it's actually starting to go up here. You can see that it's starting to go up. You can see it's starting to go up here. All right, it's going up, and I just took a trade for the sake of it, just to show you guys that it's likely to go up. Now, it may still stick down here. Sometimes they stay down here for a long, long time. But the chances of it going up are higher. And if we lose that, because we already took 5 trades, so you don't want to stay in the market for too long, you start losing, okay? Right? Yeah, you can see it's still pointing down, it's still going down, still going down. So it can stay down there for a very, very long time, okay? And then we have the moving average, which is our 8 EMA, and that's 8 EMA 2 pixels. It's the white line. So again, that helps us take the trades, make the decisions when to take the trades, okay? And different pairs, you can pull the different assets from here, okay? Different currency pairs. So you can see like this is going up, it's still pushing up, okay? So it's pushing up. Now we lost that, so maybe we should recoup that for the student. You can see this is pushing down now, so it's a change of direction. It is starting to push down. You can see that's pushing up, starting to push up. It's pushing up. And now then it starts coming down, pushes up and pushes down at the same time. Okay. So my student wants to continue or stop. Okay, they want to continue. All right. It's your account, so they decide what to do. Okay, you can see that actually ended up in profit. This one here is going down though. So again, the CCI can be faking. You see it goes up and then it goes down. So it's a really downward trend here. But we are hoping that there will be enough push to the upper side here. You can see some buyers are coming into the market, but is there enough time to push it up? I don't know. That's the thing. Yeah, is there enough time to push this up? You can see somebody pushed them down really hard. He tried to push up, but then it was pushed down really, really hard. Okay, so that's what happened. Okay, so you want to trade with the $1. Okay, I guess she wants to do that with the $1 now and see if she can take advantage of this upward push here. But this could be a pair that's out there to take the money. You can see she's tried a couple times here and lost the trades. Some pairs are just not good some days. You're going to learn that. Okay, that's why you don't want to risk too much of your money. So she's only risking the minimum, which is $1. When you have a small account like this, you're going to be taking dollar trades really because anything more than that, you're risking too much of your account. Normally, we use the 1% trading rule, but in this case here, it doesn't apply. 1% of $20 is 20 cents. Okay, so this, you can see this is really a trap right here. This is really a trap to collect your money. Collect the money. I'm telling my student here, this is a trap to collect your money. You can see it goes up, it comes down. It's a very undefined pair, and it's really out to take your money. But let's see if they're going to give you the money back. Yes, so 22.16, 22.44. So we're still below what you had won in the previous one. So she took one more. Okay, so hopefully that will be in your direction, because you can see this are pointing up. We came out of the squeeze, and now this is widening, and the squeeze is coming. So hopefully that will keep you going. Now, sometimes I don't like taking trades when it's in the middle of the Bollinger Band, because this line here, the moving average here, sometimes acts like resistance or support zone. So that could be a resistance, unable to go up, and it can start coming down. You can see that's exactly what's going to happen. It starts shooting down to the lower side. Okay, so we wait. She's keyed up this next one. Yeah, so you can see it's slowly pointing the upside, the lower side. Yeah, that's exactly what happens with some of these pairs. All right, so she's looking at more pairs. This one has gone down, and now it's acting that way. Acting like a resistance. Yes. Acting like a resistance zone. Can see here, this is Microsoft stock, guys. This is a just, by the way. You can see it has formed a nice double bottom here, likely to shoot up. Okay, so at this level here, when it crosses the moving average 8 EMA and the first candle, second candle, you can enter here for a long trade, and you can see it's going to be on the upside. So you can see that's going up. This is a 4-hour chart. So you can see this would be in the money right here. At least a 1.17 ratio, 1 to 1.7 reward ratio. So like 75 pips already. Okay, so guys, see that ended up in the money. And so my student account is even grown further to 2346. So that's almost 40% of the account. Okay, recovered today. So we'll continue here tomorrow, guys. Stay positive. May the markets be with you. Let's say a word of prayer. May those of you who are going to apply this training be successful in the markets. May the markets be with you. Good night, good morning, good evening for some of you, and goodbye. And goodbye.